The next one is 108, is it? So you're going to times, all right, correct, well done. Over here, it's 3872, good. Have you done all this in school? Yes, you have done. Means you have this book already. Or you have done these questions? No. No, not yet. Okay. And then this is what? $82 an hour. What is this? $82. Okay, 16.40 an hour, correct. The charges for the job 65.60. All right. So it's quite easy, huh? This is what? Number, sorry, number three. Number three, 225. This is 5, is it? 2250, correct. Okay, the rest. Okay, this one you're not sure how to do. Okay, this one is 10880. Okay, this is correct. Now find the exchange rate between the British pound. Okay, maybe I will open up my my screen. Okay, just hold on. Let me open up mine. I will download your so that it's clearer lah. You just woke up, Edmund? No. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is clearer here. Bertina worked in London as a business consultant. In 2019, her monthly income was 6,400 British pounds. 10 British pounds is equivalent to 17 Singapore dollars. So you can divide this by 10 to get the number of 10 British pounds. Then after you times by 17, right? I cannot hear you. Cannot hear you. Can't hear you. So there's one way of doing it. Okay. Or you can just change, very simple. What is 1 British pound? You find out what is 1 British pound. And then you'll be able to do it. I think I better put it down here. Come on, I can't open up this one. And let me open up now here. And up here. Okay. Because I want to use this. Okay, then why don't you find, okay, now down here, we put it like this, okay. 10 pounds is the same as $17, Singapore dollars. Okay, Singapore SGD lah, 17. So what is 1 pound? 1 pound, how much? 1 pound, how? Cannot hear. I cannot hear you. Can you hear me now? You can hear me, right? Edmund, I cannot hear you, Edmund. Edmund, I cannot hear you. No sound. Something is wrong. I can see your mouth moving. You can hear me, right? I cannot hear you. Maybe you want to log in again? Can you log in again? You log out and log in. You try say something again. Cannot. You log out and log in. Can? Okay, you log out, log in. I'll wait for you. My hair is a mess. Just look at that. Hello, hello, Edmund. Can you hear me? Can you say something, Edmund? See no sound, lah. What is happening? Is your volume or something on? There's something wrong with the sound. Okay, say something. I can't hear you. I think now. You say something? Yeah. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay. So let me share screen again. Okay, over here. So 10 pounds is $17. 1 pound is how many dollars?
1.7.
Okay, good. 1.7. Then you go to, you want 6,400 pounds, and that's it. You know what to do, right? You times by what? You times by same thing. And you will get your answer. But down here, okay, but sorry, you already gotten the answer 10880 over here just now. So this is the exchange rate now, 1 to 170. That's it. If they ask you to find the exchange rate, it's like $1. 1 pound is how many dollars? Okay, so we move on to the next one. Have you done this one? Not yet, right?
No.
Okay, so we do straight. Again, this is things that will happen in the reality, so you must know how to do this. I think similar to P6. Are you okay? You just woke up?
No.
You look very different, unless you are turning into a man suddenly. Okay.
I don't know how to do.
Okay, so we go step by step. They tell us that when at 10 a.m., this Wilfred, he drove out of the car park. Means his car was in the car park before 10 a.m. They want to know what time did his car first enter the car park. So we got to work backwards. 10 a.m. when he came out, does it follow this one, this rate, or this rate? Down here, 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. No, 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So it follows here because 10 a.m. is, you have 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., right? You must follow this first. So from 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, so now I'm going to write it here. Here we have a rate starting from 6 a.m. And it will continue to 7 a.m. Same rate, 5 cents per minute. It will continue to 8 a.m. Continue to 9 a.m. and then 10 a.m., which is the time he left the car park. So from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., first of all, we need to find the number of minutes first. How many minutes? How many minutes are there between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.? Can you find that out first? How many minutes are there between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.? Or how many hours first? How many hours? How many hours?
Or
4 hours. You want to find the number of minutes, just times by 60 lah. Right? So how much you get?
280.
240, not 80. 4 times 6 is 24. So down here, you get 240 minutes. Okay? Now, 240 minutes, now they say 1 minute is 5 cents. So 240 minutes costs how much? What do? We times by? Then the rate is given here. 1 minute is 5 cents. So we times by 0.05. This is 5 cents in using the dollar. How much is this? Can you check? 240 minutes times 5 cents. How much you get?
Wow.
$12. Notice, he paid $19.20. So from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., he used $12. Okay, so now you take 19.20, the total amount of money he paid, minus $12. We will get $7.20. Now the $7.20, it has a different rate down here. This is from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. After 6 a.m. in the morning, it's a different rate, it's 5 cents. But between 12 a.m. and 6 a.m., it's 8 cents per minute. Can you see? So now, I know that he spent $12 between 6 to 10. There's another $7.20. I take 720 down here, divided by 8 cents. To find how many minutes? How many minutes do you get? 720 divided by 0.08. How many minutes do you get? Can you check?
Divide by what?
Divide by 0.08.
90.
90 minutes. So that means he parked for 90 minutes over here. But we must work backwards. 6 a.m. 90 minutes before 6 a.m. What time is it? That's the time he entered the car park. 90 minutes before 6 a.m. What time is that? 90 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, right? So what time would that be? 1.5 hours before 6 a.m. And you got your answer. 90 minutes is 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, no problem. You can just minus 1 hour. How much you get? 1 hour earlier than 6. What time is it?
5.
30 minutes before 5.
30.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so you can do it that way also if you want to. 4:30 a.m. is the time that he entered the car park. From 4:30 to 6 a.m., 90 minutes, he spent 720. Then from 6 a.m. to 10, he spent $12, and that's 240 minutes. So he paid a total of $19.20. I got a feeling, I'm not too sure. Do you get it or you don't get it?
No.
Don't get it. Okay, then I'm going to give you my question. If you don't get it, do my question. Okay, you try mine. You are copying, is it? Are you
Yeah.
copying? Yeah, okay, so you're going to copy first, no problem. I'll write another question here. Okay, can I share my screen? Share the whiteboard, Can?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, down here now. Okay. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., the parking fee is $1 for every 30 minutes. Okay. From 7 p.m. at night, evening, to 7 a.m., midnight, and whatnot, right until 7 a.m., is $2 for 30 minutes. So I'm going to ask you very simple. I park my car from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. How much do I pay? How much do I pay? Now, 6 to 7 is one rate, this rate. 7 to 8, another rate. So you tell me how much do I pay? How? 6 to 7, now I park from 6 to 8. 6 to 7, how much do I pay? $1 for 30 minutes. How many 30 minutes are there down here?
No.
Two. 30 minutes, so it's $2 lah. $1 for 30 minutes and $2 for 30 minutes. From 7 to 8, how many sets of 30 minutes do I have here?
Two.
Two. So the rate is $2 for 30 minutes. So how much do I pay here?
Or
$4. So altogether, I add this two, I get $6. Now, the question that is given to you now is like this. Okay, you remember this first? Okay, I'm going to write down now the question now over here. This is what the question is asking. All right. Are you ready, Mister? See, Now the question is asking like this. I left the car park at 8 p.m. and I paid $6. What time did I enter the car park? Now we know the answer is 6 p.m. But how to do the working? That's the question. The question is asking that. All right, you try now. How do you work backwards? You tell me. How do you work backwards? I repeat, Just hold on. Okay, now. I left the car park at 8 p.m. Right? I paid $6. This is the rate. The rate is the same down here. The rate is down here there. Okay. This is the rate. So we know that just now we did forward is $6 from 6 to 8 p.m. So I must work backwards. So I look at the timing. 8 p.m. falls under here. This side from 7 to 8. That's 1 hour. 1 hour. There's two 30-minute slot. So I would have spent $4 here from 7 to 8. So $6 minus $4, I'm left with $2. $2 is spent here. So let us see how many half an hour slot $2 can give me. $1 is 30 minutes. $2 must be 60 minutes. So $2 is 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 1 hour before 6 p.m. How? I'll give you another question you try. Are you sleepy? When are you sleepy, Edmund? Yes, sir. Oh, you think you're not sure. Either he's fed up or you're angry, is it? Are you angry?
Yeah.
You are okay, no problem. We try, yeah. You understand the rate down here?
Yeah.
Good, huh? I'm now going to give you this. I left the car park, meaning with my car. I drove out. I left my car park, I didn't drive. Okay. I drove out of the car park at 9:30 p.m. Okay? All right. I paid $15. When I drove up, I had to pay $15. What time did I start parking my car? Can you try? Work backwards, work backwards. You must work backwards. Okay. The new rate starts at 7 p.m. So how much must you spend here? 7 to 9:30, how much must you spend? Will you spend or will I spend? Two and a half hours, how many dollars do I spend? $2 for 30 minutes. How many 30 minutes segments can you have?
8.
8.
$10.
$10. Not 8, 5. 5, huh? 7 to 7:30. 7:30 to 8:30. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock to 8:30. 8:30 to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock to 9:30. 5. 5 times 2 is $10. Good. So you take 15 minus 5 and minus 10, sorry. You get $5 balance. This $5 is from here. From 7 o'clock, you got to go backwards. $5 is how many minutes? $1, 30 minutes. $5, how many minutes? Then you know. $5, how many minutes at this rate? $1, 30 minutes. $5, how many minutes? Find out how many minutes, $5? From here to here, you've got to times by what?
150.
150. Yeah, good, well done. 150 minutes is 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes before 7 p.m. That's your answer. What is it? What time is it? Go 2 hours behind. 2 hours before 7 is
5.
30 minutes before 5.
4:30.
Okay, you know how to do? You understand or not now? Is it better? Or
Yeah.
you want me to give you one more or no need? Yeah. Are you okay, man? You look very upset, man. Are you upset about tuition? You feel sad already, yeah? Yes, you are. I'm sure you look like your tuition. Please, don't give me tuition anymore, please. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Let us see. Now, they give you another question. Elaine, she parked from 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. 6 p.m. Ask yourself, 6 p.m. comes under 5 minutes or this one. Then you got to calculate under 12 a.m. You break it down. You do. You understand the question? Yes, no. Your mind is somewhere else, Edmund. I know you, I know you. Okay, we try, yeah? I will try to explain now. Now, when you park before midnight, the 12 a.m. is before midnight. From 6 in the morning to 12 midnight, the rate is 5 cents per minute. Some car park does this. The example I gave you is on hour. Down here, they charge per minute. And then after 12 midnight to 6 a.m., it's a different charge. It's 8 cents per minute. So now she parks from 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. Now from 6 p.m. to 12 midnight is one type of charge, one type of rate. From 12 a.m. to 5:40 is another rate. So now we got to divide it into two types of rates. Okay, two types of rate. Huh? Here we go. Uh-oh. Down here. Okay, so we have 6 p.m. to 12 to, okay, I'm going to break it up. 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. I am going to break it up into according to the two rates, which is from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. to 12 midnight. This is one rate. And then after that, continue from 12 midnight to 5:40 a.m. This is another rate. Do you understand there's the two different rates? You understand that? From 6 p.m. to 12 midnight is 5 cents per minute. Okay, it's 0.05 cents a minute. Cents a minute. And down here per minute. Down here, 12 a.m. to 5:40 a.m. because she stayed until 5:40. That is $0.08 per minute. Now you have this, you can calculate. How many minutes is this times by 0.08? How many minutes is this times by 0.05? And then plus them together. We try this, we try this. So the Elaine Park come from 6 p.m. to 5:40 a.m. So from 6 to 12 midnight is one rate. Okay, if you can't see, I will have to draw down here. Maybe I draw down here. Okay, you read the question again, and then I will draw it for you so that you can see. 6 p.m. Later I will enlarge in a moment. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, I'm now going to show you this. You see whether you understand. Elaine, she parked her car from 6 p.m. right until 5:40. So at 7 a.m. her car was there. 7 p.m. her car was there. 8 p.m. her car was there. 9 p.m. her car was there. 10 p.m. her car was there. 11 p.m. the car was there. 12 a.m. the car was still there. Now from 6 p.m. to 12, the rate is 5 cents a minute. After 12 midnight, it goes 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 5:40. This is another rate. And the rate is 0.088 cents a minute. So you need to find out what's the amount of time from 6 to 8 p.m. in minutes and times by 0.5. You need to find the amount of minutes from 12 to 5:40 times it by 0.08 and add them together. And not like drunk. From his look, I know already. What happened, mister? You didn't have enough sleep, ah?
No.
What time you slept yesterday?
What?
What time you slept?
What?
What time did you forgot? Oh, forgot. What time you woke up?
8.
8 a.m. So how many hours of sleep roughly you think you got? Do you get 4 hours, 5 hours? No. Do you wake up in the middle of the night? Could you sleep at night or wake up? Wake up.
Huh?
What happened when you wake up at night? What do you do?
Nothing.
You went to toilet or something? No. So you will be waking up quite often in the night or how? Because it affects
Sometimes.
sometimes. Okay, so you got to find a solution to your sleep issue lah. Sometimes even me myself, if I wake up too many times at night, in the morning I'm like floating, cannot concentrate on thinking. I can fry a chicken, I can fry an egg, I can go to the market and buy things, but I cannot think because thinking requires me to have a relaxed mind. So your mind now, I can see, is running all over the place, floating. Am I correct now? Concentration is difficult. Is it true or not true? If your answer is don't know, which is true lah. Okay, I tell you what, we try again tomorrow lah. The next half an hour. But you try to complete this worksheet, can?
Yeah.
Okay, then we see you tomorrow. Let's say at we can do it at what time? What time? Let me see. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. I see you again. Half an hour more. Can you try to do this one? Then you message me, and then if we can complete this, then I will also review. Last week I promised you the angles, and then also the algebraic stuff. Okay, we try. But you must have enough sleep, lah, Mister. Otherwise, when you come, I can see you are like very upset. You are upset, right?
Yeah.
A little bit. A little bit. No, you're very happy. You don't look happy. Are you happy? Very happy?
Okay.
No, right? There's something bothering you. See, so mathematics you must remember, Edmund. It's a thinking game. It's not like computer game you play. You press button. You got to think. This one you got to think. If you don't understand what I'm talking about down here, cannot go in. Waste money. Waste money. Waste your mother's money, lah. True or not? That's why I do not want to waste the money. If let's say for any of my students, if they cannot concentrate, I just we try again another day. Okay? So you try to complete this worksheet. Can? Okay, yeah? I don't know, he's looking through me. Are you okay? No, I feel worried for you. You are like a different person today. Maybe you are growing up. This is part and parcel of growing up. Or are you being bullied in school?
No.
If you are being bullied, you must tell your parents. No? If you do not know what to do, you can tell me. It's not that I'm going to go down and beat them all up. I think they might beat me up. Okay, man. You take care of yourself, right? I'll see you tomorrow, 5 p.m. Bye-bye.